Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to check plate number in Ito Online. So let's start. So first you have two terms running an LTO plate number check via LTO Online should provide the searcher with the following information. So first you have to plate number of the car make and model, manufacturing year, car color and last register date. Any acquisition records with the LTO. So verifying the car license plate ensures that each vehicle driven on public roads are valid and legal so drivers can owners can avoid as many legal problems and safety problems as possible. So how can you use the LTO plate number check online? You can use if you are people who are purchasing a pre-loved car from a person they don't really know, people who need to rent or borrow a car, drivers who wish avoid being asked or having answered too many questions, and people whose job involves driving another person's car. Car owners who wish to check on cars that they have let people. Authorities who need to check the legitimacy of car. So that's how you can do it, guys. As you can see, it's easy to do it. If you have this information, you can check the play without any problem. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this video.